All right, thank you for joining. Today we'll go over Bitcoin USD or BTC USD perpetual contract on the Bybit chart. And let's just jump right into it, right? Bitcoin is crashing currently. And yeah, I don't see any stop in this crash until we get to roughly around, let's see, around 50,000 is going to be the target, right? You can see here we had a very strong uptrend from the last bull market, broke out, and just price have been selling off ever since, right? This is just something Bitcoin does once it breaks a trend line, is it just continues to sell off very aggressively. That's what happened here back in January 2026. And now we're basically doing the same thing here. Massive sell off after this trend line was broken, targeting the lows. And if we zoom in here, you can see the next area of liquidity, the major liquidity, is going to be previous quarter's low, right? So as quarter, I mean January, February, March. That's one quarter. So all the liquidity from the first quarter is sitting below 59,000. So that's going to be the first major target for Bitcoin. And as you can see, price is trying to get there extremely aggressively. Once we start going below these lows, you can see prices just accelerating, and I don't really see any slowing down until we get to at least this $59,000 level. That's where we can see a little bit of a consolidation, most likely. Maybe another push to the upside, but if things do get kind of crazy, then I would be expecting Bitcoin to for sure shoot down to maybe 48,000. You might even get another crazy wick that brings you even further down to $40,000, right? It's definitely not impossible. Let's just see what happens if I go ahead and pull this trend-based fib extension. Let's see here. From these highs to the low to this high. And then that targets around 44,000, which lines up with this overall consolidation of price action, right? Which is right there around that $40,000 area, which I was talking about. So not looking too good for Bitcoin. Everything's looking very bearish, and I'm expecting final target to be roughly around 40,000. And obviously, worst case scenario would be $26,000 Bitcoin, right? Which is not impossible to get to. So yeah, let's just see how this plays out over the next few days. And until then, thank you for joining and take care.